Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. What is the NoSQL handle interface not used for? Option A. To set the row retention time. Option B. To get rows from a table. Option C. To get dynamic information on a table. Option D. To access multiple tables. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, to set the row retention time. Question 2. You have permanently deleted your MySQL database system. What happens to the two backups that are associated with the deleted database system? Option A. They are archived and moved to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure file storage. Option B. They are retained for their retention periods. Option C. They are automatically deleted along with the database system. Option D. They are moved to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure object storage. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. They are retained for their retention periods. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.